This question's giving us loads of information. It's telling us that it's about a school with 1,065 students in it. So there's our population. So our population size is equal to 1,065. It's asking us to work with stratified sample, and therefore it's about proportions, and it wants 120 students in the sample, and it wants to work out the number of year 8 females. So that's our trigger. So year 8 females, so year 8 females, there's 134. So we should remember that for a stratified sample, it's about making sure the proportion of the strata, the group in your sample, is in the same proportion as in the original population. So the original population had 134 females out of 1,065 students, and the sample size we're dealing with is 120, and then this proportion has to be the same in our sample, so we take this fraction of 120 to tell us how many year 8 females we need to actually take. So 134, so 134 divide by 1,065 times by 120 equals 15.098. So round that to the nearest whole number, so 15 year 8 female students. If we'd have rounded it up to 16, thinking that we need to go up to the next person because we can't have a part of a person, the exam board, once you show what you're working, would have also accepted 16 as a possible answer here, because it is about finding an estimate of the number of students you need. Again, just to remind, it's about proportions. So this was the proportion of year 8 females in the population, and this was our sample size. So when you're doing stratified sampling, then you always want the proportion of the strata you're dealing with, the group you're dealing with in the population, and then you times it by the sample size to work out how many students you need to choose, or how many people you need to choose from the particular group. And in this case it was 15. So an example of stratified sampling.